2025 could be the year you finally take control of your financial life. Let's be honest. Everyone dreams of achieving financial freedom, but for many, it seems distant and complicated. The good news is that building wealth is not a mystery reserved for the lucky or already privileged. It's about following simple, clear, and consistent steps. So, whether you're starting from scratch, recovering from setbacks, or leveling up, now is the right time to create an effective and sustainable financial plan. Let's discover how to transform your finances this year with 7 practical and actionable steps. 1. Start with a clear vision. Define exactly what wealth means to you. It could be financial independence, the freedom to travel, or simply security for the future. Set specific, measurable goals like save $20,000 by December 2025 to invest in stocks. Break these goals down into smaller steps, such as saving $1,667 per month. Having clarity on your objectives turns vague desires into achievable goals. 2. Create an emergency fund. Unexpected events happen and can destabilize your finances. Build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. If that feels like too much, start small. Even saving $1,000 can make a difference. Automate your savings by transferring a fixed amount into a high-yield savings account every week or month. Consistency is key. 3. Invest in multiple income sources. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. Diversify your earnings by first maximizing your current income, ask for a raise, or take on extra projects. Then, explore additional income sources, such as freelancing, creating digital products, or selling online. Opt for activities that can become passive income sources, like investing in real estate or creating online courses. 4. Reduce debt and control spending. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances. List your debts, starting with the ones that have the highest rates, and focus extra payments on them. At the same time, adopt frugal spending habits, prioritizing intentional purchases and eliminating unnecessary expenses. Every dollar saved can be redirected towards savings or investments. 5. Invest to grow. Saving is the beginning, but investing is where wealth grows. Start with index funds or ETFs, which offer low-cost diversification. Contribute regularly, even if it's a small amount, to harness the power of compound interest. For example, $200 a month with an average return of 8% could grow to over $100,000 in 20 years. For additional diversification, consider real estate or even cryptocurrencies, but carefully study the risks before proceeding. 6. Invest in yourself. Developing high-demand skills like sales, digital marketing, or programming can significantly increase your earning potential. Use platforms like Udemy or Coursera to gain new certifications or skills. These improvements not only boost your income, but also expand your future opportunities. 7. Monitor and adjust regularly. Track your spending, earnings, and financial progress monthly. Use financial tracking apps or simple spreadsheets to measure your performance. Review your goals quarterly, adjusting them as needed. Staying attentive to your progress increases motivation and helps you course correct before small deviations turn into big problems. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these valuable tips help you take control of your financial future in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with friends or family who could benefit from these insights.